ukuthi banomcebo omningi ngoba bazoba yitarget kubathakathi bababulali befuna lo mcebo. Mina ngabe sengiyayichaza ukuthi i-albinism iqhamuka kanjani, ngayichaza ngendaba zama-genes ngokuhlangana kwawo aweak na strong. Ngayichaza leyo nto. Ukuchaza kwami lonto uthema esengena ku live wakhe wabe sezenjani, wabe sengibiza ngoBob Marley. Uyabo? Wangibiza ngoBob Marley, wangibiza ngumfana wakhe. Waze wangitshela mina emadlebeni wathi hamba mfana wami, nansi content yama albino, hamba ukhulume ngayo futhi. Abantu bayangisendela izinto, babengisendela abantu izinto bengisherela, mina I view those things mina angisabe mina ukuviewa into umuntu bese esherile. Nawe futhi ungisherele into enami because once wayishare I view those things. Into engize ngiyenze uhambe ngiqongoze emapage nabo ngiyofuna indaba. Kodwa mina ngoba nginabalandeli, nginabantu esebebonile ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso, mabebona into suspicious, they send me those things, you know. Then babe ngisenda ngiyazivula futhi. Base ngivulile funa ngikhulume ngaleyo nto ukukhombisa umuntu lo ongisendelile ukuthi ngempela nami King Bhaka ithatha lento. Kodwa deep down from the bottom of my heart I swear and I kneel down and I can even say to God, you know me. Anginankinga namuntu, umuntu ngazabe nankinga nami because umuntu bengabeza kahle ngeke ngilonge imlandela, kodwa umuntu bengabeza kwenza kambi ngizomlandela. Inyanga kuphela bafowethu, inyanga kuphela. Shiyana ukuthi kusuke kwaba nenyanga proactive ekwenzela izinto abantu ezibashiya beshayisana, kodwa iqiniso lithi angidili nezinyanga, ngidila nento eyenzeka phansi komthunzi welanga. Ingakho ngidile nangepolitiki, ngadila nangoNhlanhla-laxi, ngadila nangamasonto, ngadila nangokukhosi, ngadila nangequmama, ngadila ngayo yonke into. Kwathi noma kufika indoda ekwakuthiwa idle u700 wesoso kushoniwe yafika kumina ngoba ngangiyiwaridi ngalabantu bekumele bathole u700 thi udlile, ngayibiza ngathi ayichaza, yathi mayichaza sabona ukuthi umthunzi iqulwe kade ngayidlanga leyo mali. Zonke izinto ezifana nalezo bafethu, uyabo, into efana mina I'm standing for people. Akekho umuntu ekuthiwa angizwani naye. Into engazwani nayo into othi mawuyisho ubone nawe ukuthi you are really misleading people, and I am there to protect those people who are unaware of a journey yaga spirituality. So mina aware, and mina I went through a lot to become the king that I am today is because I've been through a lot, something that is not even easy, but I did went through those things. So that is the reason why I decided that I can do whatever it takes to protect those people, regardless if either they know more about spirituality or they don't. But I've got any right to protect those people because I know ukuthi yini ngayivuma the day ngidecide ukuthi mina ngizolapha ukulapha akona ukukhanda amakhambi. Ngeke ngizizwe ezinye inyoni ukuthi hambani nenze imithi ngibotha ke inyoni ngempela lezi zazi ukuthi ukulapha kodwa level enye leyo zazi ukuthi mawuzolapha funa ugqoka umuthi. Yabo, as understand ukuthi ukulapha kuhlukana ngama level akhona. Lokho ukugqoka umuthi into yasemakhaya, ukugqoba iboza nani ukulapha baba kumazinga angafani, kodwa ke ngeke sibaphikisa abantu kwi level yabo ye-understanding lemhlabeni. So ngicela uyifunda lencwadi le engiyithunyelelwe ilabameli nakuba yona bandla isolisa because mangiyibheka mina ayikhombisi ukuthi labameli bavuthiwe, ayikhombisi bavuthiwe, kodwa nawe uzoyizwa kodwa mina sengiyaqala ngithi kahleni madoda. Kodwa ke kuyenzeka ehhovisini labameli kube nengane lapha ya receptionist noma ingane ezokwenza ama-intern nje esiza ummeli ukuthi why ngoba vese lento yalo awidrafte wena ummeli usenior uthola ukuthi akazange azayibone idraftwa umuntu. Ngiyabaxolela abameli uma kuukuthi le letter idraftwe umuntu junior nomuntu mhlambe owenza intilo kuze intern la, ngiyabaxolela abameli ngalokho. Kodwa makuthiwa idraftwe umuntu ngempela owuqweqe lommeli, hayi ngeke ngishaya amakhala. All right, nanso-ke la ikhona ithi renotice to cease and desist defamation of character for Dr. Khehlelezi and or Mzo's lifestyle. Siyaqala manje isihloko sakhona leso. We refer to the subject above. We act for Dr. Khehlelezi and or Mzo's lifestyle. Dr. Khehlelezi is a brand, highly respected professional in the community and has spent his life building a positive reputation. Can you imagine? Ukuthi ungene emanzini uthi ubuye nemali, is that a positive reputation? Mawumeli, you must know ukuthi client lakho. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthwele, is that a positive reputation? Ukuthi ama-albino ukhulume ngeze ngama-albino and umuntu azaxolise okhombisa ukuthi uyabona ukuthi weziphutha azaxolise, is that a positive reputation? Ukuthi umuntu athathe isibhamu in a public domain, abambe isibhamu athi ba in a public, baba, public, is that a positive reputation? Umuntu athathe imoto ayispine athathe rifle yomngani wakhe ayibhekise phezulu angakho athi yadubula imdonse akayazi rifle, is that a positive reputation? Is that a positive reputation? Kahleni bafethu kanti yini positive reputation? Yini positive reputation kanti bafethu? Yini? Kukwenzele le case eyenzeke eNtuzuma, is that a positive reputation? Akhulume in the public athi ngizoya kothenga imoto ezowinwa, kade leyo moto leyo ubrandwe imoto wrong with a special branding, and leyo moto mayisini komunye umuntu khwabanisa iphinde ibuye competition ingafakwe egameni lakhe kodwa kubantu athi yeyakhe. Is that a positive reputation? This is not at all, bruh. This is not at all. You must know your client. You must advise your client. You can't just draft and send. You can't just draft and send. You can't. Thina njengabantu bethu abakhuliswe ngokomesaba uNkulunkulu thina siba skeptical.